on the edge of what's possible right before you eventually roll it over and total your car.
Back up, back up, back up.
You're always riding that.
Get up, gearheads. The cars are rolling in for Caffeine and Octane, the largest monthly car show in America. Fill up on some coffee, top off the octane, and head on down.
Ooh, look at this.
It's a full-on custom-built rock crawler. This thing sees the hardest trails in the United States.
This is iconic, a mini moke.
This is the world's worst automobile, but it's the world's best smile maker.
I gotta see this fastback. Look like it's from Gone in 60 Seconds.
I was the guy that called up the company that made the cars for the movie.
That made Eleanor?
And I actually talked them into building the kits.
Oh, he's got a Hemi in there, nice. What in the heck? The Reaper. I wonder what the back seat is. Ooh, wow, look at that. That is nasty. Ooh, look at this.
What's up, Ryan?
Hey.
How's it going?
What's your name?
Marvin.
Marvin, what did you bring us today? Look at this.
This is a 1973 Jeepster Commando built into a rock crawler. It's a full-on custom-built rock crawler. This thing is meant to live on the trails. It travels from East Coast to West Coast several times a year and sees the hardest trails in the United States. What gets me excited about rock crawling is the adrenaline and the thrill, like driving it on the edge of what's possible right before you eventually roll it over and total your car.
Back up, back up, back up.
You're always riding that fine line between thrill, adrenaline, pushing your limits, but not destroying your vehicle. We just recently put this paint job on it. I rolled it last April, so it has dents all over. So I needed a paint job where I can integrate all the body damage that this thing has in a cool way. So the paint job is done by Stilbruch Lack from Germany. We flew him in about 2 weeks ago to go over this entire Jeep, and it is a cartoon-style graffiti paint job. So everything you see on it is actually done with graffiti cans and then outlines with graffiti markers.
Show me under the hood.
It's got a 6.1 Hemi under it.
Oh yeah.
It has a 6.1 liter Hemi V8 under the hood with about 420 horsepower, so plenty of power to move those big 42-inch tires.
Let's see what you got underneath this thing. What axles are you using here?
So that's a Dana 60 high pinion in the front with 35 spline 300M shafts. Basically the I don't want to deal with broken axles anymore package.
And when you look under here, it is so gnarly. Like, you know, in the old days, you would just lift the thing up to eternity. But these days, you know, what you're really after is a lot of droop. So you want the wheel to be able to go down a whole lot in order to keep traction. So they're not lifting as much as they used to, is that they're allowing the shock to be able to droop a lot. Can we start it?
Yeah, of course.
This is awesome. Wow! Welcome to Caffeine and Octane, guys. It is going to be one beautiful morning. Woo!